Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on developer mode in Discord and use it to copy message IDs, user IDs, and server IDs. Whether you're a server admin, a bot developer, or you simply need these IDs for reporting or troubleshooting, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a clear and easy way. First, open Discord on your desktop app or directly in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon to open user settings. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important options hidden inside the settings menu. Next, inside user settings, scroll down to the app settings section and click on advanced. As soon as this page opens, you'll see a toggle labeled developer mode. Go ahead and turn that toggle on. Discord doesn't require a restart, so the change applies instantly. Follow the on-screen layout as it appears. It's very straightforward, and there's nothing technical to worry about here. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're using the desktop or web version of Discord. Confirm your app is updated to the latest version, and double-check that developer mode is actually switched on. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent confusion if the copy options don't appear right away. Once developer mode is enabled, close the settings window and head back to any server or chat. Now, right-click on a message and select the three-dot menu. After that, you should be able to see the option to copy message ID without any interruptions. You can also right-click on a user's profile or a server icon to copy the user ID or server ID instantly. It's also a good idea to paste the ID somewhere safe right away, especially if you need it for bots, reports, or moderation tasks. Taking this extra step helps keep your information organized and ready to use. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to turn on developer mode in Discord and copy message, user, and server IDs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with the same thing. Why not make someone's day easier?